Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm feeling so proud and honored. And these moments have rarely come to the life of our immigrants, particularly such eminent, and I can see it's full of emotions. At least I have shed my tears. I couldn't control for more than 5 or 6 times when this gentleman, Dr. Ishfaq, he appeared in such an emotional way that I think he has filled our hearts with emotions. I can't stop myself today expressing our great and full of emotions, thoughts which I have about my great Qaid in the presence of such a laudable voice and audience. And I'm really grateful and thankful to Rana Mahmood. He has chosen such a marvelous day to introduce Qaid when the Qaid came on the earth on 25th of December. And I think there was nothing the best way to introduce such a great personality. And particularly in this part of the world where people are thirsty to attend such events, they actually need such people who could push them. And I'm once again thankful to Rana Mahmood and his team. And this is really a marvelous event for us. I don't know where I should start. I think the best thing is how the Qaid taught us. You might be feeling me fumbling, though I was never in the courts, though I was never, while I was deliberating decisions on big cases, but today my legs are still shaking. The Qaid, when he addressed to the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, Karachi, on 11th of August 1947, he said, if we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous, we should wholly and solely concentrate on the well-being of the people, and especially of the masses and the poor. You are free to go to your temples, mosques, or any other place of worship, and in this state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion, caste or creed that has nothing to do with the business of the state. In due course of time, Hindus will cease to be Hindus and Muslims will cease to be Muslims, not in a religious sense, for that is personal faith of an individual, but in a political sense as citizen of one state. I think this is not going to be entirely a day which I can mar with the serious messages of Qaid-e-Azam, because there is a mix of gathering here. There are youngsters, there are the people who we would like to listen, and I would leave the stage with once again thanks to Rana Mahmood and its forum. Thank you very much.